kat banang yo nang khwan, kat banang panjan, kat ta nang syayu. Jingtam bo na kalian sarkar Assam kalam nang pau ting kren kat banang mi kisni. Jingla don bo jaga sarkar Assam kamlong shu habari. Hindrai pet katu bat katam syaki jaka jong barok ke Hindu kli ki jylla bakan hok nado ka Arunachal Pradesh, ke Manipur, ke Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, bat Tripura. Na kaliang Hindu kli ki jylla da ko ke so ki Phah ke shithi shaw menteri rang ba kawi. Narendra Modi ban bishal banyak bat ban tuklar hlo ke jingtam port ke Assam yo ki khap port jong kini ki Hindu kli ki jylla.
Today, on the 2nd of August 2021, we, the Youth Congress Presidents of the states of Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh have written a letter to the Prime Minister's office asking for an immediate and effective intervention to end the various interstate boundary disputes that are happening in the Northeast region. The historical and cultural sensitivities of the Northeast communities cannot be lost sight of and must have a meaningful bearing on the settlement process. We ask for an immediate and effective intervention, keeping in mind the importance of protecting the diverse cultural, traditional and historical interests of the people of our state. We ask for a thorough and exhaustive re-examination of the Northeastern Region's Reorganization Act of 1971 and must involve all stakeholders and also keep in confidence all the people of our states.
We, the Youth Congress of 6 Northeast states, the Meghalaya Youth Congress, Mizoram Youth Congress, Nagaland Youth Congress, Manipur Youth Congress, Tripura Youth Congress and Arunachal Pradesh Youth Congress, today wrote a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, seeking the Prime Minister immediate and effective intervention to solve the interstate boundary issues of Northeast states. We, the Youth Congress of 6 Northeast states, unequivocally urge the Prime Minister's office and the Ministry of Home Affairs to settle the boundary disputes on a high priority basis. Keeping in mind the importance of protecting the diverse cultural, traditional and historical interests of the people of our state. This contiguous border issues is one of the major factors in dislocating peace and harmony in the region, and which can be exploited by the enemies of the nation and vested interest to create hatred and discord amongst the communities, with very dangerous ramification on the very interest of our national integration. We, the Youth Congress, seek for a thorough and exhaustive re-examination of the Northeast Region's Reorganization Act 1971, involving all the stakeholders in the best interest of the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.